Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I've reached financial independence, and I talk about topics to help others on their pathway to financial independence. And basically, I've kind of tried to share some of the topics that I have researched and learned over the years with others in hopes that some kind of this knowledge may help somebody else. So, the topic that I wanted to talk about today is early retirement and basically how you can get out of work slavery, assuming that you've saved enough over time in your retirement accounts that you have enough that you could retire on. But the problem with our country system is that a lot of people don't realize that, well, you think that your money is trapped inside a retirement account. And a lot of folks don't realize that they can actually access retirement funds before the age of 59 and a half if they understand some tax rules. And so there is a particular item to look up and know about. It's something called a 72T plan. And this is kind of your get out of jail for free card. It's not actually free, but it's a method you can use to free up retirement funds before the age of 59 and a half that makes it so you can access your plans without paying the 10% early withdrawal penalty. And so what that penalty is in a retirement account, whether it's a 401k or an IRA, if you take money out of that account before age 59 and a half, then you get penalized with a 10% early withdrawal penalty. Now, there are some exceptions to that. I think you can take $10,000 out for a first-time purchase of a house without that early time penalty. And if there's some hardship withdrawals as well, if you can prove that, hey, I don't know, lost my job, or I've got serious health issues, or some kind of a hardship thing. That's one of the things. Hold on a second. Yeah? Are you from the state here? Yeah. Sorry, I had a question from someone here locally. I had to pause for a minute. So anyhow, I just want to let you know that there's something called the 72T plan that can give you access to your retirement funds before you turn age 59 and a half. And assuming that you saved enough over time, this might be a get out of jail card to earn yourself away from freedom, or freedom from work slavery. So how this kind of would work is, let's say you got lucky, or you invested well in your accounts, or you just saved a ton of money into your retirement system, and you have enough on paper that says I don't need to work anymore, but it's stuck behind this retirement system wall. How can you access it? So your funds need to be in an IRA in order to do this. And so if you saved into the 401k system, you can pull some money out of the 401k and put it into an IRA. So it has to be in an IRA. And then some rules on the 72T plan is you have to set up the 72T plan. It's like the SEP 72T thing, which means separate and equal payment plans. And there's some amortization tables that you use to figure out how much you would draw from your plan every year. There's 3 different tables that you can choose from, and some of them give you a little bit more income, some a little bit less. So take a look at those to see what it is that you can access in order to pull your distributions from. So basically, you're going to set up an IRA that you're going to pull these payments out of based upon, it's basically an RMD table on your life expectancy, but you can kind of calculate it and figure out how much you're going to pull out of the account every year. And you still have to pay taxes on your withdrawals, but you don't have to pay the early penalty. And so this is a way to gain freedom for someone. If you have quite a bit of money in either your 401k or your IRA, you can access it. Now, some of the rules are that once you set up these payments, you can't stop them, because if you do, you get penalized heavily for it. And the rule is you have to either take the money out for a constant 5 years or until you turn age 59 and a half. So let's say you want to get out of the working system at age 50, you have to take these equal payments out of your IRA from age 50 to 59 and a half, or you get a heavy penalty. But if you retire at age 57, you have to take the payments for at least 5 years. So that's until you're 62. Even though you pass that age 59 and a half marker, you have to take the payments for at least 5 years, or if you're younger than that, until you're age 59 and a half, whichever is longer. So that's the rule. And so I was excited to learn about this when I was looking at trying to get out of the workforce. I seriously considered, do I want to initiate a 72T plan? Do I need it? In the end, I didn't need to use it, but it gave me a lot of hope that I could get out if I wanted to. And so I learned everything I could about the 72T plans. I think one of the reasons why I didn't take one of those plans is I want to have low health insurance costs in retirement, and anything you pull out of an IRA counts as income towards the ACA plan. And there were some unpredictable things in my life that I wasn't sure how much income I would get or not. And I just didn't want to take the risk of having too high of an income in retirement because I want ACA subsidies. And so that was one of the things. I just wanted flexibility. And once you get a 72T plan, you're stuck. You're going to take that payment out regardless of whatever tax implications it might give to you, or if you lose your ACA subsidies or not. And so, so I delayed a few extra years, and I actually retired early with a 401k rule of 55. I don't think I need to pull money out of my 401k, but I am now over that age mark, and so I have access to everything in my 401k, and so that's another way of addressing this early retirement thing. The rule of 55 is something to know about in the 401k system. If you don't know about that, that's another way to access your funds earlier than the 59 and a half age limit. So both of those are super interesting things to know about for being able to access your retirement funds early. So just want to pass this information along to you guys. I've learned a ton about this stuff, and it was really nice to know that when I got sick of work, that I could get out if it just got over the top. And we had kind of a joke at work. It was like 3 bad days was all it was going to take to force a lot of us out. And so if you had one bad day of work, you give it another day, go back. If you had 2 bad days of work, give it another chance and go back. But if you get 3 bad days, it's like it's time to quit. Got to get out of there. So I never had those 3 bad days in consistency. So I guess that was why I continued as long as I did. But in general, just knowing that you have enough saved up to retire, and if work ticks you off enough that you can just say goodbye, I'm out of here, gives you a lot of power, negotiating power too, to say I'm just tired of this. I don't want to deal with it. So you figure somebody else to work that issue, or treat me a little better, I'm gone. So anyhow, like, subscribe. Hope knowing about a 72T plan or the age rule of 55 for a 401k plan. They're both good to know, and they are ways to get you out of work early and a reason to save more into a retirement plan. If you know your money isn't stuck in there forever, if you grow it enough that you can get it out again someday, if you want to try to retire early, knowing that you can do that is a great thing. So like, subscribe. We'll see you. Bye.